Hey, let me start by saying Happy Father's Day to all of you dads out there. So I wanted to pop in here and do a little intro into this video. As you see, I'm at a service shop right now. We're going to have a video coming up in a couple weeks here of what exactly we're doing to the rig. But I told you in the last episode, it's going to be a big surprise. And also to share, I can't believe our luck. We go to a national park and then a few days later it floods or has a mudslide. Like if you guys saw the Zion National Park last year, went through it, and then about 5 days later they had the big mudslide. A few weeks ago we went to Yellowstone National Park, and about a week later they had those floods and tore up all the roads. And we went to Glacier National Park about a week ago, and here we are about 4 or 5 days later, and all the rivers and waterfalls have overflowed and are flooding things, and they actually closed for a short period of time, but fortunately there wasn't any damage. I just had to close because the roads were closed, or flooded I should say. The roads were all flooded. So it's amazing. I can't believe our luck. Seems like all the national parks we go to, they have to close after we leave. There might be something to that. Maybe we should stop going to national parks. So as I mentioned, we just wanted to step in, say Happy Father's Day, wish you all the best, and kind of set up this video by showing you that in Glacier, the rivers and waterfalls were rolling really fast at high levels and high volumes. I've never seen Glacier run like this. So as you see our little trip into Glacier, you'll see a lot of waterfalls and a lot of fast rushing rivers. The volume of water this season apparently is at record highs. So let's get right into it. All right, everybody. Here we are in West Glacier, which is kind of the entryway to Glacier National Park, and it's a cute little village right here. We're actually staying in West Glacier RV Park, which is just behind me here over the hill. So I'm shooting this on the iPhone because we're on our bikes right now just exploring, and I didn't feel like bringing all the other cameras. But we'll take you through the West Glacier village here, and we'll show you some of the buildings, the structures, and all that kind of stuff. So we'll start off, as you see, there's actually a post office here in West Glacier. And then right here, we're in the Huckleberry Hut, where Joanna's in there right now. They're big on their huckleberry around here. And then we got a visitor center there. And back there, a little whitewater rafting and other types of outdoor activities. And a fuel station, and a little cafe over here on this side. We'll give you other shots of that. And you can get ice cream right there. The only place Joanne can sleep.
I hear you.
Hey everybody, here we are at, what is it called?
Dancing water or something.
Yeah, beautiful falls here in Glacier National Park. It's gorgeous.
Incredible, and the water is clear blue.
Hope you guys enjoy the rest of this. So we decided to take the trail on the other side of Lake McDonald. And as you see here, there was tremendous fire here in 2018, and it only took about 4 or 5 hours to burn the entire mountainside. It was so severe that all the people that had homes on that side of the lake couldn't evacuate in time, and so they had to send boats across the lake to evacuate all the people from their homes, and sadly all their homes were destroyed. Just devastating, but wildlife is growing back quickly, and it's recovering. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to do all the things, be the click monster, and hit that little like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and do all the things. We appreciate you tuning in and watching. Make it a great bucket list day. Goodbye.